Hi everybody, Barefoot Lass here with something just a little bit different. I don't know if you know it or not, but a lot of YouTubers become friends. And since I started my channel, I've met so many wonderful YouTubers. And sometimes YouTubers will challenge you to a challenge. Well, Ann from the Ann Lynn Show challenged me with the Green Smoothie Challenge. Oh, and if you don't know who the Ann Lynn Show is, you have to check it out. I'll put the description below. It's Ann and Lynn, and they're great. You have to watch them. Okay, now, so today, going to do the Green Smoothie Challenge. Oh, and watch to the very end because I have a really good bonus tip and it's a wacky one this time. Okie dokie, here we go to the challenge. We are going to make 2 green smoothies. And the reason is because a good internet friend of ours wanted to make one, but he couldn't do it, so he asked me to do it for him. So this is his green smoothie, and his name is the Major, and he's quite a character, and we all love him. Okay, this is his recipe. I got it down. I mean, I had to get everything. I had to borrow some stuff from the neighbor. Okay, first we got ice cream. And we're going to use pistachio because pistachio is green. And we're going to put the ice cream in. We got the ice cream. Next. Oh, something healthy. We have coconut water. That stuff is pretty good. Okay, Major, this is crazy. This is definitely crazy. Next, food coloring. And next, the Major's secret recipe is absinthe. I can never pronounce it. Absinthe. And this is his secret ingredient. He said to put more than that in it, but that's it. That's what we're doing. Okay, now we're gonna do it. That looks good. All right. I'm actually gonna try it, Major. I can't believe I'm doing this. Holy Toledo. Okay, Major, I owe you one. Okay, next, we'll do my green smoothie. All right, now we're gonna make the healthy green smoothie. Number 1, greens. We have spinach, and we have baby lettuces. It's a spring mix. Next, we're gonna put in fresh dandelion. Dandelion leaves, I love dandelion. Knowing the Major, he probably likes it too to make dandelion wine with. Okay, next, I'm going to put some coconut manna in. This is coconut manna. It's very good for you. Put that in. Next, I'm going to put some liquid vitamin C. This stuff is dynamite because we all need our vitamin C. All right, next, coconut water. Put a little bit more in. Next, Great Lakes gelatin. It's the collagen kind. We all need collagen. Next, some elderberry syrup. And let's see, what's missing? We have frozen pineapple. Oh, I need my frozen bananas. Frozen bananas. And I think that's it. So let's see how it does. Now, let's taste our smoothie. This is it. Down the hatch. Well, that's pretty yummy. And it's good for you. Okay, on to the bonus tip. All right, this is a really wacky bonus tip. And this tip is dedicated to the major. This tip is a hangover cure. And it really works. I learned about it years ago. I haven't used it in, oh man, way long time because I don't go out anymore in Taiwan on. It's been years. But when I was young and I did use it, it worked like a charm. Okay, this is what you do. Before you leave the house to go out and hit the clubs or the pubs, as the major would say, you get yourself a lemon and you cut it in half and you put saran wrap on it and put it in the refrigerator. Now, when you get home, you'll be like drunk enough that you'll actually do this. Okay, when you get home, you take half of the lemon and you rub it under your armpits and you rub it and then you rub it underneath your other armpit. And that's it. Then you pass out and go to bed. And when you wake up ready to like take on the day. It's like no hangover. I'm serious. It works big time. Okay, that's the wacky bonus tip. I know, it's crazy. It's crazy. Okay, I want to thank you all for stopping in. Before you go, give me a thumbs up. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed before. And you all have like a wonderful, wonderful day. See ya!